beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY bouncing coily box braid wig. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm sewing down my closure. I'm going to be making use of the DIY crochet hair I use to achieve some parts of this DIY wig. So if you enjoy what you're seeing, can you please keep on watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my amazing channel. Do not forget to like, share with your loved one, please, and please subscribe so you can see. You can use a chalk if you can't find the metallic pen I use, because a lot of people ask me what is the name of the pen you use. We can't find it, we can't do this. You can actually use a chalk to draw your hairline. A chalk is even better because the metallic pen I use is like a permanent marker, but a pen is better. Sorry, but a chalk is better for you to use as a beginner. So you can see this is the DIY crochet coily braid I achieved. If you've not seen the tutorial is on my channel. How I achieved this amazing DIY bouncing coils crochet braid. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just crocheting the hair to the wig cap. The main reason why the knot did not stay down on this wig, this is a tiny old wig cap, you understand, that I'm using. And again, I don't want to make use of needle and thread to sew down this crochet braid. So that is why I manage the wig cap like that, because I love using this cap a lot. This cap always make my braid to be fast and very easy to crochet. So can you please keep on watching this amazing tutorial. You can see I space my hand a lot at the back, and I crochet in between the hair so that it's going to cover where I did not crochet. Just look at the tutorial very well. If I can do it, as I always say, you can do it better. Please do not forget to subscribe to my amazing channel, and please thumbs up this video. I really appreciate that. You can see I've already braided some parts of camera. This side cover the down part, no one is going to see it. Make sure you crochet close to each other when you want to braid, and you can see the space I left down because we don't want this wig to be shapeless and to be heavy. This is a coily braid. We don't want it not to be flat on our hair. I hope you grab that. So you can see what I did. I crocheted very close to the closure, very close to the closure, so that is going to cover the back. Then I braid with another strand of hair. Very easy to achieve. Can you please keep on watching? And for this kind of hairstyle, you don't need a 4x4 closure. I use a 2x4 closure. That is, I cut one closure into two. Is my old closure I'm using. If you can't get a closure, you can DIY a closure yourself. I have a tutorial on how you can achieve a 2x4 closure on my channel. Can you please check the out? After I'm done braiding the back, I'll section there. Do not worry about the place showing. The closure that we want to braid, that part is going to cover everything up. Remember, you must not over braid so that this wig won't be heavy and shapeless. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just section a little bit amount of hair at the back. I'll section it, then I think I section it into 3 or 4. Just keep on watching, guys. Then the next thing I do is to braid it down. I didn't braid everything finish on camera. I braid it to the half. Off camera, I finish the mouth. It always make my work to be easier and my tutorial not to be long. So after I'm done braiding that to the back, I braid 2 line, like line 1 into 4, line 2 into 4, so that is going to cover the back very well. Then the side, I section the side into 2. There is 2 at the left, there is 2 at the right. Do you understand that? So now use a band to hold one side and I'll braid the other side. So it's going to cover the space, any space that is showing at the side or at the back. I hope you grab that. I'm trying to be a good and a serious teacher. Guys, can you please support your girl? Please, guys, please subscribe to this channel. Let this channel to grow. Please, I'm begging you guys. Please and please subscribe. This means a lot to me to subscribe. Please, I'm begging, just subscribe to my amazing channel. You guys are just watching without not subscribing. What have I done? Please, I'm begging, subscribe to this amazing channel. Please and please and please and please. Please, guys, on a serious note, please subscribe to this amazing channel. Please allow this channel to grow. I really appreciate that a lot. I hope you grab 1 or 2 tutorial from this video. You can see I'm just braiding the front, show you guys how I braid the closure. after we are done braiding, we had to braid it together also. I didn't even count. I think it's 12 strand I braid together. It depends on how you want the coils to be tight. If you want the coils to be big, you have to braid the hair very big, you understand. Then I form a bantu knot towards the down part. And guys, the crochet on, remember we've already coiled those ones, we already formed it as a crochet hair. So I didn't braid those part, I just braid the one I've not formed the coils, you understand. Then I dip that part only inside the hot water. I didn't allow the one we've already coiled at the back to enter the hot water, because if you dip it into the hot water, it's going to be straight without you braiding it, you understand. So be careful when doing this part, be careful, so that the one we crochet at the back won't go into the hot water. Then after I'm done, I didn't allow the hair to be dry. If you allow it to be dry, the coils will stand. I said it in my tutorial earlier. I said it in my crochet tutorial. The coils is going to stand. Make sure you unravel the braids when the hair is still wet, so that the coils will fall down, so that it won't stand on you when you rock the hair. Then I trim the hair. After I'm done trimming the hair, you know what I do? Add some mousse, then add some sheen to add some shine. I'm showing my face. I look at I was happy with the tutorial. The tutorial came out exactly how I want it. The wig was on point. Just keep on watching to watch the amazing final look of this tutorial. Then I cut the excess lace. I cut it off. So the final look, oh my god, this hair came out so beautiful. I love the final look of this hair. So nice, so lovely. I was feeling myself with these tutorials, and the hair came out so beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, as I begged you guys earlier. Do not watch without subscribing to this amazing channel. Sis, pause now and click on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See my next video. Stay blessed always. Bye.